Google is rolling out a major update to Wear OS that many people are going to like. The Google Clock app, which hosts alarm and timer function, will now be exclusive only to Pixel Watch series. The change was shared by Google through its own Wear OS help page and was spotted by folks in 9 to 5 Google. Although Google did not state it, by removing the app from non-Pixel Watch devices, it's clearing up redundant features from other Wear OS products. On the flip side, you can be sure that there are plenty of people that enjoy Google Clock on non-Pixel devices. Going forward, these devices will no longer have access to Google Clock, meaning it will not show up for download on the Play Store. But you have it installed, you will still be able to use it. With that said, those currently using the app on non-Pixel devices will no longer receive updates. This update will surely cause some people to be upset with Google, but it's not the first time we have seen it. Google did something similar with its own weather app, making it exclusive to Pixel watches. It was a pretty big move that left many people angry. At the time when Google stated many brands already have their own weather apps, and the one from Google wasn't needed on all Wear OS devices. But it's good to leave a choice for users. Beyond this, Google has done a pretty good job by updating the Wear OS experience on older Pixel Watch, bringing Wear OS 6 to Pixel Watch 3 and 2. It's a pretty big deal to get a new update on older watch because it elevates the experience.